of our lab asks us to see how does the amplitude affect the period of the pendulum. So we're going to measure 3 different amplitudes. For this first one, I'm going to pull this away here to 30 degrees, and I'm going to let you time 5 cycles. Here we go. Now I'm going to pull this to only 15 degrees, 20 degrees. And once again, we'll time 5 cycles. This time, I'm only going to displace this by 10 degrees. And here we go. So you can use your stopwatch in this video to time each one of those amplitudes.